Hey, Roland Cassidy, Carroll Street Classics. Check out this 1971 Datsun 240Z. Dylan's underneath there. We're going to put it up in the air. We got to do some undercarriage restoration work on this beautiful example. Came out of LA. The car is fantastic. Beautiful restoration. Just the floors are not to the level of the restoration of the rest of the car. So we're gonna start from scratch and peel back the onion under here and see what's going on. The car is just phenomenal. We've had so much interest in it, and people, you know, if I'm putting my name on it, I want it to look a certain way, and that's what this is all about in this car. This is the reason why it has not sold. It's fantastic condition outside. I mean, the appearance of this car, the way the drivability is awesome. They did a really nice restoration, but the undercarriage, I don't know. I really don't care for the floor installation, so we're going to take care of it. Thanks a lot for viewing the YouTube video. Carroll Street Autos 1971 Datsun 240Z Series 1.